What is urbanization? Urbanization is when land that is completely unpopulated by humans, or very sparsely populated by humans, is changed into densely populated cities. This is usually the cause of a very quickly growing population. Here is an example of Burlington over the years. This is a photo of Burlington from the 1960s, and this one is Burlington today. It is very easy to spot the evolution of urbanization. At a quick glance, urbanization doesn't seem like such a bad thing, but it's actually the lead cause of deforestation and habitat loss all around the world. It requires tons of materials that are extracted elsewhere, which causes even more habitat loss. Additionally, large cities only increase the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. This also means that large cities strongly contribute to global warming. Another issue with urbanization is runoff. Runoff is when rainwater washes into storm drains and water bodies from cities. Unfortunately, this rainwater can wash over fertilizers and trash. This means that fertilizers and trash are entering natural ecosystems. These unnatural chemicals are a lead cause of algae blooms. Algae blooms are when the amount of algae in a water body greatly increases. This can cause the water to turn green and is extremely bad for marine life. Another side effect of runoff are dead zones. Dead zones are when the level of oxygen in water reaches a deathly low, also causing all surrounding marine life to die. Unfortunately, not everyone wants to live in the country. In fact, 55% of the world's current population lives in urban areas. This number is only increasing and is expected to reach 68% in the next 25 years. In North America, 88% of the population lives in urban areas. This number is closely followed by Europe, which has 74% of their population living in urban areas. Fortunately, cities have tons of parks scattered all over the place. These parks decrease the rate of global warming while providing home for tens of thousands of different animals and species. But these parks are being trashed with litter. Parks all over the world generate 70 million pounds of trash every single year. Hundreds of volunteers are needed to clean up this mess just in our local area. A lot of park visitors don't understand the importance of keeping these places clean. So, what can you do? 1. Always throw your trash in a trash bin. Never just throw it on the ground because it can destroy so many different natural habitats and contribute to the negative effects of runoff. 2. Try to reduce your use of plastic water bottles, containers, and utensils. Instead, use reusables. 481.6 billion plastic water bottles were used in the year 2018, and this number is only increasing. Just using a reusable water bottle can help a lot more than you think. 3. Volunteer. A lot of us still need to get our 40 volunteer hours to graduate, so why not get them while cleaning the environment? Pollutants are regularly dropped by people and left in forests and our local parks. Volunteering to pick up this pollution is something that most of us can do and helps a lot. And finally, 4. Spread the word. One person doing these things isn't going to help too much, but once dozens, hundreds, and maybe even thousands of people help, it'll definitely have a positive impact. Thank you.